Okay, one on the left. I see him. Yeah, okay. Let me turn on the volume of my game here. Those gunshots were super loud. They're disorienting. Alright, there we go. It's okay, I can die. It doesn't say anything about winning or losing, just as long as you get your stats, John. That's it. Yeah, so we could fucking lose for all we know.
Okay, got it. Hunter, look alive!
Hey, guess what? I'm ready to get healed. So are you.
Hunter, over there! Down one. Hunter, over there! Don't worry about it! I'm hit!
Woo, yeah!
Hold on.
Come and get me.
I can patch you up. I owe you one. Down one! I'm hit! Okay. One less hunter.
Are they dead yet? Here, where'd you go? Come here and pick me up, Smoke.
Hold on, I can
Real
patch you
quick.
up.
Careful. Alright, thanks. Okay, alright. This must be annoying to them. They're just camping 24 hours. Why? Alright, let's do it. I know, I see you. Go ahead, watch it punch through there. Yeah? Come see my bugs.
Hold on, I can patch you up.
Here.
I owe you one.
Okay, let's do it.
Got a shot. I'm down.
Sorry, dude. Yeah, where's the blue bug, buddy? This is some serious spam right here.
Watch my back. Finished. Move out.
Oh, I'm digging this. Alright. Where's the enemy? Let's see, you gotta get at least 4. At least 4, it says. I'll get it. I'll get downed. Alright, I'm downed. Oh shit! Okay. How'd that happen? Oh shit. Okay.
Patch you up.
You can do it, guys! Yeah!
I'm down.
Oh, you can try to pick him up. Do it. Here, go for it. YOLO. Ooh. Oh, god damn it! Ah, I did not mean to do that. That's okay, that's fine.
Comes back from that.
Right in the ass, buddy. Oh, nice. Well, don't fall, buddy. What happened? Okay. One more time.
Have one.
Oh, Aragon! Son of Arathon! Okay, alright, here we go.
Someone cover me while I take care of this.
Excuse me.
I need a minute. Okay, got it. I need a minute.
Ooh, now I can craft a nail board. That's nice. Thank you, Naughty Dog. Finally.
Finished. Move out. Move out.
I do. Here. Watch out. Here, I'm coming over this way.
Arms, look alive.
Hey, watch out. Back up, back up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ow. Okay.
I can patch you up. Hold on, I can patch you up. Appreciate it.
Go ahead, revive him.
I can patch you up. Lucky you got my back.
Way to spam the system, John.
Give me some help here.
Oh, why did you kill yourself? Oh my god! Oh, weed, man. What happened? You're too close. Do you have explosion expert? Is that what happened?
Move out.
To the right?
Look out, rifle.
Okay.
Heads up, rifle. Hold on. I can patch you up.
Go ahead, go get him.
I owe you one.
Wow.
Hunter, still alive.
He's running. Weed, watch out, there's a trap, man.
Right there. I'm moving. Scratch one.
Fucking shooting these guys, man.
Finish. Move out.
Oh shit. I'm coming, dude, I'm coming. Don't shoot.
I need some meds. Watch my six. Finished. Move out. No one comes back from that.
What show is that? Hey.
I'm hit.
Get wrecked, son!
Smoke out! Smoke headed that way!
Okay, alright. Should I run over it? Can I run over it? No, I can't. Okay.
Keep an eye out.
Murder, murder, murder. Don't open that, buddy.
Yeah, got it.
We're behind. Just a few more kills. Ian, don't do that. That's your show. Here. Hold on. Okay, I'm coming.
Bombs on. Bombs armed. I'm down. I got you. Lucky you got my back. Nice. Let's Welcome back. Finished. Move out. One less hunter to worry about.
Good night, fucker.
One less to worry about. Got it. Hold up. Okay, got it. Keep an eye out.
Are you fucking? That's expensive. Fuck.
Finished. Move out.
Shit. How many kills have I got? What? 11-3. Are you fucking kidding me? This is ridiculous.
Keep an eye out.
Alright, I might as well upgrade this shit here.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I'm coming, guys. Yeah, I smell blood in the water.
Down.
Anybody else in there? Wow. All the fun is over, huh? That was quick. You're fucking kidding me here? Here, I'm just gonna shotgun you in the face just for fun.
Patch you up. Appreciate it.
Where's the guy? Oh, is there no more guys? Okay. Did we kill him? Okay. Huh. So confused. So confused. Let me go get my ammo here.
Finished.
It's the most ridiculous thing ever, isn't it?
Okay, got it.
I'm coming this way.
Hold on. I can patch you up. I owe you one. Hold on. I can patch you up.
Don't worry, buddy. I got this.
Hey, only a few left. Cut him down.
Ah, fuck. Okay, alright. I didn't have a nail board anymore. I should have figured. Ian, don't open the toilet paper. Stop opening the packages. You... Alright, I'm coming. Oh, Aragorn, son of Arathorn, is in trouble. One left. He's all the way next to Aragorn. I know where he is. Good night. Good night, asshole. Holy shit, dude, what the fuck? 16?